Are there times when you feel frustrated, like me, with apps that take forever to pay you the money you've earned? Well, you're not alone, and I've got you covered so you can earn money straight away using your mobile phone and from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 3 apps that put real cash in your hands instantly. These apps let you play games, watch videos, and complete surveys all from your phone. And the best part is you can cash out your money right away. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to have you here. If you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Guys, please do remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to support my channel's growth. On this channel, we discuss everything related to making money, especially online, and strategies for building wealth. If that interests you, then you've come to the right place. And do let me know in the comments below if you've subscribed and watched to the end. Now then, let's dive into these 3 apps that pay you real cash instantly. First up is PayPal. This gem often flies under the radar, but it's the real deal. With PayPal, you can complete surveys and earn points that can be converted into gift cards. However, if you prefer cash, they pay out via PayPal or direct deposit. You'll need a PayPal account, which is super easy to set up if you don't have one. When you cash out, your money shows up instantly in your PayPal account. And for those who prefer gift cards or even Bitcoin, PayPal has you covered. Up next, we have Drumo. Drumo is a relatively new app that offers multiple ways to earn cash instantly, and they don't mess around when it comes to earning real money. They offer a range of opportunities that let you know exactly how much you're earning upfront without the need for points conversion. You can take surveys, play games, watch and comment on live streams, download apps and more. What's even better is that Drumo often has high-paying surveys, some going up to $12 each. A refreshing change for those of you who are tired of low-paying surveys on other apps. Plus, just like PayPal, they also offer gift card options for those who prefer them. Do keep in mind that their cash out process might include a verification process when you cash out, taking anywhere from a few seconds or up to 24 hours depending on where you're located. Finally, we have Eureka, which not only has an app but also a website. Eureka allows you to complete surveys and cash out in either cash, via PayPal or various gift cards, including popular options like Applebee, Amazon and Target. However, should you prefer not to use PayPal, then Eureka also allows you to get your money via bank transfer, though it might take just a little bit longer, typically 2 to 3 days. And guys, I have a bonus tip for you. If you do consider getting an Oxygen card, which is a prepaid debit card that's free and offers cash reward, this card allows you to receive direct deposits from Eureka or other sources, and they provide virtual cards with customizable numbers for added security when you're shopping online. By the way, I'm sharing this tip with you because it's a game changer. Whether you're shopping on a new website and want to protect your financial information or simply want to earn rewards, then the Oxygen card has you covered. Guys, please do remember the availability of these apps and their features may differ from region to region depending on where you are. Now then, the good thing is these apps can provide for you a convenient way to make extra money or earn gift cards. But it's important to read the terms and conditions and understand how they work before getting started. Guys, I hope you found this video valuable. And if you did, then please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to stay updated with my future content. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.